In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Google Drive. This guide will help you easily share files and folders from your Google Drive by transforming them into a convenient QR code that anyone can scan. This method is great for both personal use and professional settings, where quick access is key. To start off, you'll first want to open up your Google Drive on your computer. Once you're in, locate the file or folder you wish to share via QR code. Right-click on that particular file or folder, and from the menu that appears, select the option that says Get Link. Now, it's essential to adjust the permissions if necessary. For general sharing, I recommend setting it to anyone with the link can view, especially if you're planning on sharing this QR code widely. Once you've checked the settings, copy the link to your clipboard, as you'll need this in the next steps. Next, let's head over to your web browser and perform a quick search. Type in QR code generator in the search bar and pick one of the top results. Many of these generators are user-friendly and don't require any sign-up. For this tutorial, I'll assume you're using a free and straightforward one. Once you're on the QR code generator site, you'll see a field designated for URL input. Go ahead and paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into this field. Now, most QR code generators will provide options for customization. If you're keen on personalizing your QR code, you could select a color or add a logo. This step is entirely optional and based on your preference, but it can be a fun way to add a unique touch, particularly for branding purposes. After you've configured the QR code to your liking, look for a button that allows you to generate or create the QR code. Click it, and just like that, your QR code is ready. You'll usually have options to download the QR code as an image file. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easily accessible on your device for future use. If you plan to share the QR code in printed materials, such as flyers or posters, ensure it's printed at a high resolution for optimal scanning. In digital formats, like presentations or emails, make sure it's large enough so it's easily scannable from different devices. And there you have it, a seamless way to share your Google Drive files using a QR code. This method not only saves time, but also makes file sharing incredibly straightforward. Thanks for following along with today's guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.